guys, welcome to Maria's Mexican restaurant in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm Stella and I'm going to be showing you how to make a bomb margarita from home, since it looks like this year we're going to have to celebrate at home. But I got you. Alright amigos, so this is what we're going to need. Margarita glass. If you don't have a margarita glass, you can use any old glass. You're going to need some fresh limes, some sugar or salt, or you can even use this tajin, which you can find at your local Mexican store or even Tequila. Some tequila. I'm using Herradura, but you can use your preference. And last but not least, you're gonna need Maria's special margarita mix. So let's get started with the margarita. You want to pour your full glass of ice into the mixer. Next, you want to pour in the tequila. I'll be doing 3 shots because I'm making a large margarita, but if you're not making a large margarita, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but if you're making a small or medium, we'll have the measurements for you in the description. Not to worry about that. Then you want to add the most essential ingredient, which is Maria's margarita mix. And then you want to get to shaking. So before we can pour the margarita into the glass, you want to make sure you prep it, and to do that I'll be using this. For the rim, if you don't have one of these at home, that's okay. You can wet the rim with a lime and use the plate for the salt or the sugar. I'll be using a tajin. And I'm just going to swirl it in there. And now it's ready for the margarita. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. It was that easy, guys. It tastes fresh, perfect amount of tequila, but I wouldn't have been able to do it without Maria's margarita mix. So make sure you get your hands on it. You won't regret it, but you will regret not having it on Cinco de Mayo. So give us a call at 704-525-5075. You can also order through Postmates or DoorDash. Again, cheers to you guys and happy Cinco de Mayo.